This diagram has a lot going on, and ultimately what we're going to look for are angles that are complements to each other, those that add to 90, because those are the ones where sine and cosine will equal each other. So let's start with some easy ones to spot. I think you can spot 1 and 2 together have to make 90, so the measure of 1 and the measure of 2 together has to equal 90. I think you would recognize that 4 and 3 also would have to do that. So that would also be true. The measure of 3 and the measure of 4 would also equal 90. I think you might be able to notice that the angles here around this 90-degree angle would also be equal to 90. So 2 and 3 also equal 90. And there's even more, if you can believe it. Let's show you some other relationships here. Let's see here. You might notice that the 2 here and this 4 have to be equal. So the 2 must equal the 4. Now that provides us a few more options. If you look up here, I can change this one out and say that the measure of angle 1 and the measure of angle 4 then also equals 90. I can also sub this one out and put a 2 in there, which would tell me that 3 and 2 equals 90. There is a lot going on in this case, and so all of these guys here, all of these provide you with a possible relationship of stating angles that are equal to each other. So for instance, you could say the sine of angle 3 would equal the cosine of angle 2. And the reason you can say that is because right here they equal 90 together. So make a list of all things that you know, and then that makes it easier, but this is still going to be a difficult problem.